Hi kids, my name is Ritika. I am from Maplebay Delta 3. In the previous videos, we were doing phonic sounds. Yes, so till now, we have covered 10 phonic sounds and today I'll be doing 5 more phonic sounds with you. So from letter K to O, today we will be doing it. Okay, so starting with letter K. The story behind letter K is a girl named Kitty. She went to market with her mother to buy a knife. Yes, a knife. Actually, her mother forgot where she kept the knife and she wanted to prepare a dinner, but she couldn't find the knife, so she could not cut the vegetables. So they went to market and bought a knife. While returning back to home, Kitty's mother forgot where she kept the house key. Now she screamed, "Where is my house key? I cannot find any house key. Where is my house key?" So she called her husband, that is Kitty's father, and told that I cannot find the key. Where is the k? Yes, you got it right. So the phonic sound of K is k. Key. Where is my key? Key. Yes. So K for knife, K for kite, K for key. Yes. So I hope you like the story. Now moving on to the next story or next alphabet. The next alphabet is alphabet L. Yes. The story behind alphabet L is a girl named Lizzie. She was working with her father in a jungle. Actually, her father was cutting a log. Yes, it's a kind of piece of wood, big piece of wood that he was cutting. Now, Lizzie decided that she should take that log to her house, but it was so heavy that she couldn't lift it. She decided to call her friend. Her friend name was Lucky. Yes, he was a boy and his name was Lucky. Lucky came and Lizzie and Lucky both, they took the log and they took it to Lizzie's house. Now, mother decided that as Lizzie and Lucky has brought it, she would label the log and label the name. Okay, so label. She labeled it by the name of Lucky and Lizzie. When father returns, he saw the labeling. Yes, the names written on the log. Now he asked, "Why did you do this?" So mother said, "My daughter was very happy when she was bringing the log." Yes, my daughter was so happy that I decided to give the name to that log. And father happily said, "Yes, I know you did it right. So I'll also thank her that she did my work. She helped me doing it because I have to bring that log to home, but she decided that she will be taking it to home." So he called Lizzie. L. Yes. So the phonic sound of L is L. Lizzie. Okay. So L for log, L for label, L for lamp. Yes. I hope you like the story. There's 2 stories of letter K and L. So now moving on to the next alphabet, that is alphabet M. Yes. So the story behind alphabet M is a monkey. He was very fond of mangoes. Yes, he wanted to eat mangoes. He liked mangoes very much. So monkey, he went to a mango tree. Yes, he went to a mango tree and climbed the mango tree. Now, there were so many yellow and green mangoes he could see, and he got so much greedy about that mango that a boy was passing from the jungle. Now, in the jungle, there were so many mango trees that he wanted to eat all of them. The boy came and plucked one of the mango from the mango tree, but the monkey decided not to give him any of the mango. So the monkey said, Yes, you guessed it right." So the phonic sound of alphabet M is mm, 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 mango, moon, yes, meal, mug, monkey, yes. So, mango, mug, moon, yes, very good. Now, moving on to the next alphabet, that is alphabet N. So, alphabet N. One day, alphabet N was walking through a jungle. Yes, alphabet N only was walking through a jungle where he found a net. Yes, a net. He decided that why should I not eat some eggs? And he found a tree where there was a nest. Yes, a bird's nest was there and there were many eggs inside that nest. He took the net and he decided to snatch all the eggs from the nest. But bird came. Yes, the bird came and told N, don't take my eggs as they are my children. Yes, don't take my eggs from my nest because you wanted to eat eggs, but don't take it with your net, with the help of your net, as I will cry then. So N decided not to take it and said, you can have your children, but give me something instead of the eggs because I am very hungry. So bird decided to make him eat some fruits. Now when she gave fruits to N decided to thank her, and he said, yes, you guessed it right. So the phonic sound of N is N. N for nest, notebook, notebook, N for net. Okay, so the last alphabet that we are going to do in this video is alphabet O. So in an ocean, yes, in an ocean there lived many aquatic animals, and one of them was living a huge big octopus. Yes, an octopus was living in that ocean. Now the octopus was thinking that he is the king of the ocean. Now there were many fishes, but octopus decided that he will be ordering everyone around him. Okay, now what happened? A shark, yes, a shark came and told him not to be so greedy about his powers as it has 8 hands. Yes, octopus has 8 hands, so don't be so greedy about your powers because there are many fishes who wanted to live alone, not with your orders, not with you. So octopus was very angry. He started saying, oh, oh, oh. Yes, so the phonic sound of alphabet O is O, O, O. Yes. So O for orange, O for octopus, O for onion. Yes. So I hope you liked the video. Yes, I hope you are practicing phonic sound. I hope you see all the videos and you learn a lot. Thank you for watching this video. I'll be seeing you in the next video. Okay, till then, bye. Stay home, stay safe, eat healthy, and don't trouble your parents. Bye. I will see you in the next video.